Hey guys, it's Zach here from the Holiday Road Travel channel. Well, as you may have noticed, Deanna and I have not posted a few videos in a while, so we wanted to give you guys a little update on our travels to come and some new equipment we got for our future vlogs. So, starting with something I'm really excited about. I finally did it. I got a drone. So I just purchased a DJI MAVIC Air 2 video drone to take stunning pictures in 4K, pictures and video above the skies into all these amazing places we're going. So there's some limitations with that. We cannot film in national parks. We cannot film in private businesses, but a lot of really cool places we'll be going throughout the year. We'll be able to provide us some prime footage with the drone. And we were able to test out this drone at some amazing footage across the local parks here in Western Ohio where we live. One of the bucket lists or things Deanna and I have been trying to cross off the list with our travels have been the United States national parks. So we got this cool map, as you can see, and all the national parks still to come. So a lot of our next trips involve national parks because of that. So here's a couple places Deanna and I will be going over the next several months. So starting with, I will be personally heading to Detroit to go to the Motor City Comic-Con. Then we're taking a trip to West Virginia to see some cool roadside attractions and a unique little amusement park. And then we're heading to South Dakota to go to our first national parks of the year, the Badlands and Wind Cave National Park. We will then be heading to Southern Illinois, to Metropolis, Illinois, the home of Superman. Then we'll be back really far away towards Hawaii. We'll be going to a national park down there, Hakalea, I think I'm pronouncing it right, as well as exploring the island of Maui and the road to Hana. Later this year, we'll be going to Glacier National Park, which is one I've been looking forward to for a long time. And then we'll be rounding out the year with Boston, Portland, Maine, New York City, and the national parks near and around Washington State. So a couple cool things to look forward to. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you see every time we post a new video.